Good morning, good afternoon, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, whatever you are watching. This my video. Good morning. I love you. So I want to use this opportunity to thank you, all my friend, my family, my wonderful people. Thank you very much for support you have given me. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. I really appreciate everybody. I really appreciate. God will continue to guide us. God will continue to support everybody. Whatever you are doing, God will do your back by the grace of God. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. Oh, these people you no go know. I really dey happy. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm sorry, guys, if you hear for disturb, please. It's my baby. Sorry. It's my baby. She like to disturb me. So, I want to go inside the topic today. Sorry, I not press anything. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Now my boy. She want me to go and on the TV by this time. No. Sorry, guys. I don't want the video to long too much because I don't want to make video today, but because of the video why I watch. So my people, before I go to the topic, I want to thank you for everybody, wonderful family, wonderful sister, wonderful friend, wonderful support. I want to really thank you for everybody. Thank you very much for support. You have support me because I'm a new YouTuber. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. God will continue to do your back. God will continue to guide you. God will continue to support you each other. Thank you very much. So let's go to the topic. So I watched one video this morning. I'm sorry, guys. My boy, he like to disturb me. So go to the topic. I'm not supposed to make this video because I still dey on bed. If you see me, if you check me, I still dey on my bed, because now I think after 9 or to 10 for Germany now. So I watched one girl video today, this morning. I watched the girl video. The girl talking about people. See, first of all, I want to tell Nigerian people why they like to bring people down. Why Nigeria no like to support each other? If in Nigeria see one Nigeria say this girl want to go, instead of to support the person, this person na my fellow woman, na my sister, because everybody is water. You can meet at any fucking time. You don't know people who can help you tomorrow. So don't look person be like say this person no get anything, or no go school, or no do this, no do that. If you thought say you want to support person or you want to help the person with their problem. Don't look the person whether the person see the girl talk something, say one person drop message for am say don't know how to speak English. Wow. I watched this girl video. Sorry, guys, for the noise. Sorry. It's okay. I watched the girl. I dey watch that girl video well. I'm a new YouTuber. I don't know anything. My YouTube never fine like your own. I never dress my YouTube like your own. You understand? But everything are small. I know they rush. I know they look say because of say this Mary, he wear Gucci. Me self, I want to go and kill myself because I want to wear the Gucci. You understand me? I dey watch this girl. I dey watch their video well because I really like the girl natural. You understand? I dey watch their video. He said the girl don't know how to speak English. Oh my God. The girl will be like say they speak English. Be like say tomorrow no day. Okay, me now will be like say I don't know how to speak correct English. Will be like say na pidgin English na ya dey use. I know say a lot of people will be like say na university graduate. They go come after me, come and tell me I should not make YouTube again. YouTube no dey for only graduate o. YouTube no dey for person wey be like say you know how to bite their teeth. You understand? Even though if you say na your language you want to speak, you free to speak. Nobody go hold you. People wey go understand you go understand you. People wey no go understand you, may pack in chair comot now. If you want to like, if you talk say you want to support person or want to like the person with natural. Don't like the person say because this person no like to, you don't know how to speak English. Who English help? You wey know how to speak correct English. Where your office? Which work you dey do? Then the person wey dey speak pidgin English, which work no be the same work you dey do for this abroad? Why our Nigeria people like to bring people down like that? It's not good. Although this character, our Nigeria people need to stop. If you see person say a mistake, instead of to correct. I watch one woman because I'm a new YouTuber. I want to use this opportunity to thank one of my friends who encouraged me to say, go and open YouTube. Because now Facebook I dey use before. I dey do comment, I dey cook. If I get advice where I want give person or I see something for social media, I dey talk, I dey post am for my Facebook. Because I want to open the YouTube. That time self, I even get my pregnant. But the stress is too much for me. That's why I never opened that time. Why? I know say me where they speak pidgin English and wey be like say my pidgin say sometimes I dey mistake. I know say a lot of people go don't curse me, but me, I no care, I no mind, no concern me. Because where me they go, now I dey focus. If I dey face front, I know they look back again. I know they look back. It's not good to bring people down. I'm a new YouTuber, you know. I don't know. Sorry, guys. This weather for our place is very bad now. I'm a new YouTuber. You understand? Now that my friend, they teach me small. I use this opportunity to thank you, my friend. Thank you very, very much for support, for encourage you are give me. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. Thank you very much. You understand me? So I can't see the woman in day life. I can't they watch their video. You know, I can't do mistake. I can't do mistake to give this woman message. You understand? You understand? Sorry, guys. I think they don't want me to make this video. You understand? So I can't use mistake. I don't know. I can't drop a love and like this. I can't drop for this woman. Then I can't write good morning. He said this woman to correct me. If you see the way he insult me for public. He said, if you don't know something, you need to ask. If you know, say you don't know something, you need to ask people so that they can teach you. I beg, come out for my platform. You have to go another platform and watch. Not in own. You understand? Because me, I don't know, say that thing, it dey spoil their video. But instead of to delete that message and tell me that Zainab is not like that, you understand? Please don't drop that thing for me again. Please. You know, you don't know me, I don't know you. You never see me, I never see you. You no feed me, I no feed you. Then I can't write am back, say, I'm sorry, I don't know. He say, yes, this is right way. Really? I just comot for the live video, but I apologize before I comot, before I left their video. I apologize. That's my own. If I offend you, I will apologize to you. You understand? I can't leave their video. Then I don't already show and love. I not still comot am. This woman no return back to me. I still dey go watch their video again. Not be yesterday or before yesterday, I go remove my love where I give am. Because why person go dey like, so later, I can't go watch another person live like that. I say can't go do the mistake. You know now, I no come. I enter YouTube now. I never reach 1 month now. You understand? I can't go watch another person. Wonderful, my sister, my mommy, my beautiful person. That's good person. This woman, if you see the way where I mistake give am the message, the woman just jejele, e just correct me. He say, "Oh, Zainab, my sister, welcome to my platform. Oh, please, Zainab, don't give me this one. Yeah, please. I know. Also, me, I'm a no YouTuber. Please, he talk to me as a responsible person. He insults me. Give me insult. Because the woman never see me, I never see her. Insult me because you don't know people wey go help you tomorrow. Don't think maybe if you don't grow for YouTube, you don't be like say tomorrow no dey. No, life is not like that. Life will stay for one place. Then I come apologize. I say, "Oh, I'm sorry." Say, oh, Zainab, you are welcome. No problem, no problem for that. No problem. Give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. No problem. The way the woman really talk to me, I feel like I did their show. I watch am well. You know? So this girl now come dey talk say one person drop comment for her and say don't know how to speak English. The girl know how to speak correct English. Who English help? Our Nigeria people don't they bite your teeth because they want to let people enjoy you. If you have people for America, if you have people wey be like say America, London, that they watch you, a lot of people here pitching English. I don't get any boyfriend for here. That they understand me well. That my friend, if they understand me, don't worry. If you come my house to come and eat my African food, I will do the video, you will see. Because I want to speak correct English now, go to come they bite my teeth. Please, YouTube, dey for one person say, if you don't know how to speak correct English, if you enter YouTube. Even if you want to speak your language like Yoruba, like Benin, like Edo, like Igbo, like Hausa, you fit to speak. What about this Ghana people wey be like say if you go their show, they know they speak English at all now. Ordinary their language they speak. Then people wey still like their video, they still dey watch. If you want to support person, if you like person, that girl, me, I just like her natural. I just like her. I don't know her, I don't know me. I just like her natural. Then that my sister will correct me. I like that sister and one woman like that. If you don't like person, you don't need to drop bad comments for her. Watch that video and comot. Then if you know say no like person, me, if I don't like you, I no go watch your show. That's my own. I no go watch your show. I no go talk say because say I dey find love. The person wey I know say can put me for problem at any form. Because these people wey drop that message for the girl now, if you bring this girl come outside for YouTube and they cause themselves like all of these YouTuber wey they saga for social media. YouTube dey to encourage person to show your internet wetin you know to do, come to do it. If you know how to cook, teach am, because not be everybody know how to cook. A lot of women don't know how to cook. Something they use for your children. If you show people for YouTube, if you see say this thing good for this girl, baby, they can try and use it for their kids. It's not by say this one don't know how to speak English. This one don't. Maybe I don't know how to speak English now. I know say a lot of people if they watch my video, they curse me. Say what did this girl they talk? Me, I don't know how to speak English. May I first tell you, the people will go understand me, will go love me like that, will go love me. God will go send people will go love me like that, will go accept me. God will go send them for me. So don't do our Nigerian people, let him stop all this thing to bring people down. It's not good. If you don't grow, take another person to grow. So that everybody go be like one family, one love. You can meet at any fucking time. For the place where be like say you don't know. Me, I don't know how to speak it correct English. I don't feel lie. Because if I thought I want to try, I did mistake. So it's better me I just speak my pidgin English. One woman wey dey come my house come dey teach me their Bible, all of this mother this thing na, all of this oyinbo wetin dem dey call am. Dem hear pidgin. If I dey talk some if I dey talk sometimes sef, I dey caution my mouth. This woman I tell am say because I no wan make come dey disturb me. You understand? I get 2 kids. Dem come still come my house say dem want to come and teach me Bible. I wan take learn. When my husband no dey to help me take care of my kids, my husband dey go work. Then the work is far for our house, so he dey sleep for the work 7 days, 8 days, 2 weeks. That's the way my husband they spend their time for work. You understand? I can't tell this woman say I don't know how to read, I don't know how to write. This woman can't go download pidgin better broken, say so that I can learn, then I can understand very well. If this woman they speak pidgin English, don't say maybe all of these white people they pretend though, they pretend. Because before me, I don't know say this woman know how to speak pidgin English. Go tell me say, if you sit down sometime, go tell me say, hey Zainab, now wow me I tire, you know if you give me water, I go shame. So don't like person because the person maybe the person are beautiful, that's why you like that person. Maybe because the person know how to dress, that's why you like the person. Maybe because the person like you know how to make up, that's why you like. If the person come sick, you know if you make up again, what you won't come do, go run for the person. Let him support each other. Let him grow each other. Don't they bring people down? You wait, drop that comment now. Maybe you know how to speak correct English, but you no feel right. Me sef, I don't know how to write though. I don't know how to write. I don't know how to read. More na hear well, so that if you want to curse like me, you go know the way go fit curse me. May stop all this thing. Nobody talk say school no good, but person will be like say their family no get power to let their pikin go school. What make the person they feel bad, or say their mother is not good, or which kind life I come. If you go school for your pocket, you go school for your family, no go school for my family. Then if you know how to speak English, you know how to speak English for your pocket and for your kids. You don't know how to speak English for my kids. If you see person mistake, try to call the person and give am. You can tell the person, so oh, please can I give me your WhatsApp number, so that you can talk well and correct the person right way. No be to drop message for public like that. Say the person don't know. If you watch my YouTube now, my YouTube never fine. I never design, I never do anything like the way where everybody where they watch their YouTube. They don't know how to speak correct English. Now small time now they go come they curse me. Some people say if you go talk say wait, I won't go watch that girl. The girl we don't know how to speak English. We no fight, we be like horror. My platform, they do a lot of that. They do comedy. If sometimes if you dance hungry me, I go dance the way I know how to dance. The time wey me never born, I know how to dance well. But I don't call 4 kids don't come off for my body. Huh? I dey cook, I dey talk, I dey do comedy, I dey do everything. So me where I don't know how to speak English now, then you go curse me well. You go curse me. It's not good, it's not nice. Our Nigeria people, I beg you. YouTube, all these people wey dey YouTube, you dey YouTube to encourage person to show your internet. If you know how to cook, show people. If you know how to make hair, show people. If you know how to dress, show people. No be by go look person video and drop message. You know fit give the person thumbs up. You know fit tell the person, so wow, nice one, you are so you know what you supposed to do and drop rubbish message because you know how to tap. You know how to type. Even if I watch person video, if the person know, I no need to drop any message for the person wey go make the person dey bad. Okay, because of you now, make that person come stop YouTube. My sister, Keep growing. Keep flogging your video. Keep put your video every day. If that person want to go die, may go die. Really? It's not nice. Who English help? Even though if you come from Nigeria, come abroad, carry your certificate, come here, you know if you work am for office. Until you go their school and learn their language and you know how to write everything, you can work for their office. But without no one, say you carry your, I'm a graduate, I'm a HND, I'm a bros MD. You can't bring your that e jobless. Na Nigeria, even though Nigeria, they know your certificate the value. They don't know am. You go school, your family go suffer, let you go the university. You go come finish the school. At the end of the day, you no go see job. A lot of graduates for Nigeria, for Lagos, they sell pepper, they sell fish. The one wey dey sell card, the one wey dey work for filling station, that one still good sef. Person wey no go school sef, wey don't know how to speak even pidgin English, e get better business wey dem dey do. See this hand, e no ripe o. No be equal. One long pass one. That's life. You can go school, maybe me no go school. You wey go school, you can teach that person wey no go school. If you see say maybe drop message for you, the message is not good or is not correct, just don't use with respect, correct the person. Because that person wey give you message, you don't know whether you go school or you no go school. Maybe they learn for phone or whatever like that. It's not good. See that my friend, he don't know me, I don't know her. He never see me. He encouraged me. He dey tell me, I say go open YouTube. He husband sef, even they help me. They expect something for my husband, may help me download. That's life. Like that person, they find the way better for the person. They find me better for that person again. That's life. Okay, like that my friend now. What if he ask me what I no go fit do for am? God forbid. Even though if you live in abroad, if I feel avoid the tickets, I can go meet am because he's so special with me. Very nice person. Very nice person. Call me, don't put your video for your Facebook again. Your video to do this, your video, go and open YouTube, go and do this one, go and do that. If you say another person, no go tell you like that. Because you know what made better for you. Because I want to speak better English now, I go come dey bite my teeth. I will explain. I will explain. Because of what? If you don't understand my pidgin English, you can go watch another person video. Not be by force. Not be by force. Now everybody me I like for this YouTube. Everybody. Because it's why I enter this YouTube now. I meet a lot of wonderful people, beautiful people, nice people where I no even expect. So if you want to like person, like am with natural. Like am with their problem. A lot of people sef, I even show am love. They no return for me. Though I no mind. I no mind. But don't they drop rubbish message for person? The person say that girl now come dey make video say e dey so bad. Wetin make it dey bad? You know how to speak English pass me. Your English is correct. Your English is very good. No be by force to speak better English. If you speak Yoruba, people wey go understand you go understand you. People wey no go understand you no go understand you. If you want to speak your language, see all these Jamie wey I dey, see Jamie. They value their language. But our Nigerian people, no. Even though go meet Yoruba people for outside, it has a place you speak. No. Even if you ask and say you speak English, no, they go they speak Dutch for you. Jamie people here, they value their language. If you go their office, if you get appointment, if there's a place you speak English, they will tell you say nine. They go tell you say nah, they hear that English, but they want you to speak their language. But why our Nigeria people, they don't like our language? Eh? YouTube will not talk say if you don't know how to speak correct English, may no come YouTube or say you know something where you want do, wey be like say no go give you problem. Because it gets some video wey be like say if you make am, YouTube go ban you. They go block your YouTube. Eh? Because of that message now, what made the girl drop YouTube? May no they do YouTube again. My sister, don't mind all of that people. Please, if you see anybody will drop message for you, don't they do video because of that person? Don't they do video because of the comments? If you know say you fit delete the comments for your this thing, delete them. If you know say no fit delete them, leave them for there. No be every message you need to answer. Some people like to find problem. They go find the way we won't shook hand for your mouth. So don't look that person. If you see me, if I dey focus my life. The place where I dey go, na here I dey go. I know they look here, I know they look here. I know they look here, I know they look here. You know, good Nigeria people, let him support each other, let him grow each other. Let him like ourselves. The way we like your mama, like your fellow woman like that. Like your brother, like your sister like that. Everybody wey dey this youth, you can meet at any fucking time. Don't they bring people down? It's not good, it's not nice. Eh? Me, I don't know how to speak English now. I know fine. I be like horror. I never grow the way you grow. You go come they curse me. It's not good. You dey YouTube to encourage people, to show your internet, to do different things so that people can learn for you. Eh? It's not good. So I need to end my video because I don't want me the video long too much. Because I see the video this morning, now it make me talk. Say I need to talk. You know, good. Our Nigeria people, you need to stop all that thing. Let him grow together. Let him support together. Please, so don't mind me. Support your sister. Support your sister. Support your sister. Support your pidgin English. Support me. Me, I don't know how to speak correct English. Now better pidgin. My pidgin self sometimes I dey mistake because I no go school. Me na stop to curse each other. Una stop to curse each other. E no good o. E no good o. Watago dey hear me. Ẹ say call here. Kí ló dé, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kò dáa ẹ já nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wa. Wetin happen? Coming style. That one na English. So I need to end my video now. So please, our Nigeria people, let him grow together. Let him support each other. It's not good to talk say this one hear English, this one is not hear English. Who English help? If you know how to speak English, you know how to speak English for your pocket. You know, if you know how to speak pidgin English, you know how to speak English for yourself. Person wey dey speak pidgin self, if they make money. You wey know how to speak correct English, you sit down for one place. So you don't know the person wey go help you tomorrow. So all my fellow people, my Nigeria people, my wonderful people, I love everybody. You know, I love everybody. I no look anybody video say this or that. No, I like everybody. That's my home. I like everybody. Let him support each other. Let him love each other. You know, thank you very much. I really appreciate everybody that support me. They want to make me grow. God will make it grow. God will take you to forward. You know, thank you very much. Ẹ ṣé o, a dúpẹ́ o, àwọn ògbóngílísì o, ó dàbọ̀.